Everybody, I'm Manorama and this is Sanskrit Studies and Luminous Soul Corner, and I want to welcome you all here today. Today we're focusing on the Sanskrit word of the week, and the word this week is ekagrita. Can you say that? You got to drop your jaw a bunch of times. Ekagrita. Ekagrita. Good. So ekagrita means one-pointedness, single focus, right? We use the concept in Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, and I want you to consider it this week, this notion of, not doing the kind of multitasking life that we're so accustomed to in the modern world, but actually really focusing your attention on single points when you're on them, allowing that to be absorbed, and then letting go when you're on to the next thing. Train your focus. This is such an important part of the yogic practice, certainly the luminous soul practice, to train your focus. And it's this funny thing that happens, but the more you train your focus on a point, the more your capacity expands. So I want you to pay attention to that this week. I'm here in the beautiful Blue Spirit of Costa Rica. It's this retreat center in Nosara, Costa Rica. I'm here with these amazing trees. I love trees. I love their beautiful foliage. I'm sure you do too. And so look at how they are. They are focused on a point and they go ekagrita to one single point and grow and grow and grow. May it be so for all of us. Be blessed, everybody. You are beautiful. You are powerful. You are free. I look forward to seeing you in class again soon. Bye. Love you.